Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's unbox the sea animal toys and learn their names. The first sea animal is there are sea animal toys. The first one is a king crab. A king crab. The next one is a blue whale. This is a blue whale. The next one is a hammerhead shark. This is a hammerhead shark. The next sea animal is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. Octopus. This is octopus. Octopus. The next sea animal is a whale. This is a whale fish. The next sea animal is a whale. This is a blue whale.